Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. And the reason I'm making this video because the BTC is near the important resistance, the major resistance 42,000, which is the major resistance guys. And today it is going to be decided. You can see here today is the Saturday and we need this candle to close above this area. Otherwise, if it closes below, we can see a sharp decline in the price. Just keep that in your mind. And the good thing is we have 18% increase in the volume. That's very good for the bullish momentum. And this time around, you can see here in the past, you can see we got mixed candles, red and green. Again here at this area, red and green, and after that the momentum was lost. And here you can see 10 continuous candle. This is first ever, I think, happened in the history that Bitcoin is going for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is the 10th candle, 10 days. Just imagine the power of crypto guys. It was 10 days ago, it was testing the 29,000 and now it is testing the 42,000. Just guys, it's unbelievable. Okay, it's unbelievable. If you take a look at here, let's take a look at here. Within 10 days the Bitcoin has moved 30%. That's insane guys, that's really insane. So the thing is, if we show you these two articles, I'm gonna give you the link under the description of this video, so you guys can check out the this post by, I think this is the author George, and it was updated at this time. It shows the bullish and the bearish case for the Bitcoin following the rally to 40k. And these are the supply shock, the bull case. You just go and click the link under the description and study for yourself. And that's from the website. Okay, this one is CryptoQuant. You can see this is also a good website for the only for the Bitcoin depth knowledge, insights of the Bitcoin exchanges, reserves, flow indicator, market indicator, and other stuff. And here you can see, just take a look at here. When we see a spike on the upside, the price usually dumps, okay, which happened back in the past. You can see here, when spiked up, the price came down, spiked up, price came down here. And when we saw the huge line on the downside here, we see a spike on the upside. Okay, you can see here, the whenever the huge line on the downside, we see a spike on the upside, downside, and the price going upwards. And here, if we take a look at this large line downside, you can see here, so it shows that the price of BTC is getting good. And this is the outflow means whenever the BTC is getting transferred from the exchanges to the hot wallets. Okay, so this is also mentioned here, the total amount of BTC transferred from all exchanges, and it is increasing as well. You can see here it has increased from as well. This was increased back in the days as well, but here we have seen that it's a good amount. It is increasing consistently. So if we go back to the charts, you can see here, this is the daily chart guys. Okay, so we have entered into the phase here. You can see here we have entered into the phase again. We are ready for the bullish rally, but for that we need some confirmation. And if we break above 42,000, the next major resistance would be, let me show you guys, 43,000 and 42,000. If we break above 42,000, the next resistance would be 43,000. As you can see, this is the swing low candle and this is the wick. So clear cut, this is clear cut resistance and support areas. So but first we need this candle to close above 40,904. And on the downside we have this as the support level, this one 39,490. On the downside we have this as the support. On the upside we have these two levels as the resistance areas, and we need to break above, we need to close above 40,000. So these are the target areas, and if I draw more levels, that would be here. This one would be our next target. I hope so that, yeah, after this one we can have this area would be our next you know, the level of resistance after that. So this would be our next target, clear cut targets. So these are the targets in coming days, guys. So if it continues, but there would become a day when we might see a correction on the downside. Okay, we might see a correction means when you are going on the upside, when the price is moving on the upward direction, we might see a correction downward. Okay, then a move on the upward. So here you can see the price is in the upward move for 10 days. So I think we might hit the 42,000 barrier, and then from there we might see a correction down to 40,000 to find a new spot. Okay, to find a new spot, or might be we're going to wick around 39,490. So on Monday, today is Saturday, so on Monday we might see some volatility. On Monday might be we see some this kind of candle making a wick on the up and wick down, and then next candle we might see a wick from this area getting rejected, and then we might see some consolidation and the move on the upside. So that would be the analysis. That's the analysis of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin needs to break above this area. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna post the link of these two articles under the description of the video. Make sure to check out, and if you have any questions regarding any altcoin, if you want me to do the analysis or prediction of any other altcoin, please let me know in the comment section, because right now I'm not doing any other prediction because I have already made a video on the Bitcoin yesterday, so I'm making another video. Why? Because it is an important phase for the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is in this candle is very important, guys. This candle is very important. If we turn on the volume, you can see here, although we saw you know, a divergence, but this volume bar is increasing, which is a good sign. I mentioned in my previous video that the volume is increasing, the volume is decreasing, but the price is increasing, not supported. But here this volume candle, it's a good candle which, you know, continued this bullish momentum. So that's it, guys. I think I have pretty much explained everything to you. And this one you can see the yellow is a fast EMA, is also it has crossed the green EMA and the red one, and this one, the white line, is the 100 EMA. It shows that we might be in the uptrend. Let me find out just one thing, guys, just one thing. Let's find out the cross, the bearish cross. Okay, we have this the green line as the 50 EMA, white line. Okay, green and white. Now when this green line, okay, this 50 EMA crosses the white EMA, then that area of confluence would be very important, and that would be the golden cross, bullish cross. Okay, that would be bullish cross. So if I hide if I turn on the Fibonacci retracement from this area, sorry guys, let me redraw it. Yeah, from this area to this area approximately, we'll find that our next target would be somewhere around 44,000 here. If we cross above this area, if we, you know, closing above 41,000 or this area, the next target would be 44,000, but that's according to Fibonacci level. But I'm gonna stick with the current price action. So only almost 1 hour is left till the closing of this candle. So if we see any candle closing above this area, we might see a wick down, and then we might going to break the 42,000 level, and that would be a bullish news for the Bitcoin. So that's it, guys, from my side. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.